here's a review of Jowua's invisible storage unit underneath our center touchscreen. There isn't much, so it's very minimalist. The only clue you get that this unit exists are these drawers over here. So as I pull out this drawer, you can see it reveals an entire full-size Nintendo Switch 2. So I've just got a Nintendo Switch 2 and I've been playing Zelda, and this storage unit can fit the new larger Nintendo Switch. I just pull it in here, clip it in, that's it. This storage unit is great also for sunglasses, while we're road tripping, keeping your passports, keeping loose items like keys. This storage unit is quite modular as well. It comes with a few different items, and at the bottom you can see that they've got a anti-slip mat so that things will not make noise, will not jangle. And this bar here, this lip here, ensures that your keys, your items don't fall off. And you don't have to close it all the time. Let's say I've been playing my Nintendo Switch. It's at 77% battery right now, 76% battery. I can just pull it up here, leave it like that, bring out my charging cable, and just charge my Switch. In the past, I used to put the Switch here and it would slide left and right or even out of the car when I'm driving, especially when making corners. Now I can just put it in here. This is a good slot for sunglasses as well. So let me talk a bit more about how to install this, because there are no screws, no wires, pretty straightforward if you want something minimalist. It does come in with a lot of extensions and additions as well. So let me put the Switch aside. Now to install this, all I do is, it's more like a clip around your touchscreen. So behind, if the camera goes behind, you can see that there's a latch here. If I just pull open the latch, I can remove this storage unit, like so. That's it. So this storage unit comes out. And here you go. You can see, I clip it in. So this latch, you pull it open, you put it around your touchscreen, latch it back in. Now, there's extra screw here because Jowua also provides an extension rod when you want to connect additional phone mounts, dash cams, GoPros. Here, they also have an additional power unit. So if you connect one of your USB-C cables from the rear to the side in here, it allows you to power multiple devices. 2 USB-C and 1 USB-A. And you can see it's got a good, nice premium finish. When you slot it in, there's like a magnet link, so it doesn't really slide out. You can see it's very sturdy. This part here, this mat, you can take it out easily to clean it. And there are these grooves here that allows it to lock into place so that it doesn't slide out, like so. So this is the storage unit. So here's how we install it. Take it out, pull it open. Now one thing to note is that there's a MagSafe mount below here. I'll come back to how it's used later. So reverse, plug it in underneath the screen. Then as you bring it forward, just bring your hand, lock it in this side here. There you go, got a nice lock sound. Then that's it. So you can see it's firm, it's installed already. The only minor downside is, you see this sound? I wish it was a softer, quieter sound, but otherwise it's very sturdy. You don't hear any rattle noise when driving. Now, this MagSafe unit, it does come with a light accessory. So this light has 3 modes, especially at night in low light situations. Click on the Jowua logo and you get a dim light. Click again, you get a strong light. Click again, you get a backlight. And the 4th time, it turns off. So this unit, you clip it over here, like so that when you got your items in here, you can click to create a light below, a strong light, a backlight to light up this area, or to turn it off. Now another benefit of the MagSafe mount is if you have a MagSafe device like an iPhone, you can also just lock it in there. So it's almost like a hidden phone. It is not easy for people to spot your items, and so that's a nice side benefit. And this light in here, like many Jowua devices, it actually supports wireless charging only. There's no ports in this. So if you plug it in here, when the battery is low, it will start charging. It's very simple. You don't need to plug in any other cable to charge this device. When you're done charging, you can clip it in here. If you don't like the light at any time, you can take it off, keep it in storage, and this light you can use as a portable light as well as you go around or you're camping. So very convenient. This is the Jowua invisible storage unit. Fits large devices, even a Nintendo Switch 2 easily. Quiet, comfortable, premium design. I just wish that the open and close has a bit more refined sound, so hopefully future versions do that, but I think it's great. And from a driver standpoint, if you look at my point of view over here, you don't really see anything. It looks like there's no edits to the Tesla. The only change to the Tesla for the driver is just this button that gives it away that there's a hidden storage. Let me know what you think about this hidden storage. If you like it, you can actually use my discount code. Just type TESLADAREN at Jowua's website. You get 5% off this accessory or any Jowua accessory that you're keen on. If you found this video useful, please click the like button and hit subscribe to stay updated to more videos on Tesla. Thank you so much to the Jowua team for allowing me to test the new hidden storage unit.